guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty good range day, if that makes sense. Um, or we actually knew some that move that was gonna happen today, and I'm gonna show you that. So if you watched yesterday's video, I told you guys about this double top that would have possibly formed off of this 5 day, especially. And that was something to look out for. So if you did take an entry right here yesterday before market close, congrats. And this is what these are some signs, and so like these are some trades that I would definitely take, and because the structure is there, especially with the rejection of the 5 day, right? We were seeing, right? So that was a very good um overnight hold to have, right? And then again with structure, right? um Off of orange right shoulder right here, right shoulder off of yellow all the way down to purple. um, and then you can see that we did taper at the bottom right there, right? Especially you can see in the 5 minute, right? We tapered at the bottom. Very strong support right here, as well as resistance up here, right? So that only indicates that the market is uncertain, right? We don't know where we are headed. It's mostly because Trump is making decisions every other day. First he says he's gonna put tariffs. Second he's like, oh, we're gonna put a month pause. So like it's a lot of uh, this is the first time I've actually seen it like this, where uh, it's just so like confused, right? The market is very confused, um, and that's the way it is right now. But that is okay, because if you still understand the ranges, we can still make the monies within the ranges, right? So, for example, the first trade off of here today, second trade also possible that was over here, right? Then also the trade from the bounce right here, um, all the way up right here. And then, yeah, so those very good trades. I'm going to show you intraday. Let me show you that first, right? So the first trade, right, was the first trade I showed you, right, at 11:49. So all we needed to wait was the orange angle, left shoulder, head, right shoulder here, and in this right shoulder, we definitely need to see the microstructure, right? And this is where we formed off of right here, off of the pink moving SMA as well, right? And then we just had that break down. I'm pretty sure, yeah, in the 5 minute, also the break right here, right? That just showed you right here, all the way down. It's pretty simple, pretty easy trade. If you didn't catch this, that's fine. There's so much more trades to come. You could take a short from also, took the short from, I believe, where did I have it marked? Da, da, ah, da, da, the body is. Same structure right here with orange, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here off of orange, all the way down. This was a pretty good trade as well. And then, of course, you notice the tapering with the blue, right? Blue tapering. So all we have to do, and then also the white algo appeared right here as well. So very good tapering algos right here, kind of signaling a reversal right here. So left shoulder, head, first right shoulder off of purple right here, first entry right here. And this was a very good entry because we got an inverse head and shoulder right here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, break of purple, entry, first entry right here, all the way up. You could add a second entry right here at the bullish engulfing candle right here, and then take this all the way. I think this was a 4 point trade. I'm pretty sure a 3 to 4 point trade right here, 3 point trade right here, very good. And also again, you realize that we tapered at the top, the resistance is at the top, the teal is at top, right? So we rejected really nicely, um, and then again we have the yellow algo right here. So if you wanted to take this trade, you gotta take it off of right shoulder right here, but then you realize that there's no continuation. We didn't break below teal right here. We actually bounced from here. So then that would just indicate the rest of the day for chop, right, and call it an early day. And that's pretty much it for the trades intraday. But where do we go from here? Pretty simple, pretty easy. You were waiting for the 5 day to push down, right? We built this beautiful left shoulder liquidity now head, right? So we just need to reclaim 5-day, build that beautiful right shoulder liquidity right here, and just let that form, right? Um, that would signal the bull flag, right? And we just have to take it level by level, right? This cup close right here, right? Then form the handle, and then keep going up, test 50 day, right? So yeah, so go as structure demands, right? Pretty simple, pretty easy. But if you are headed down, right? So pretty simple. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Um, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here. But you do have to be careful of these purple agos, right? Support agos. So you want to make sure that we get some type of rejection and then push down all the way, right? If we push down, we're gonna push down pretty heavily. So be careful of that. Or look out for that essentially. But I want to also look at the next support area, so let me go through that in 1 second. Okay. So we want to close all the way down here, right? Use whatever moving average this is. I forgot 572. So let's see 572. Here we bring so insane. I'm in my head. It's like the 200 moving average, I'm pretty sure. So just use a 200 moving average as some sort of resistance. Left shoulder head off of 200 moving, the right shoulder right here, and then continue push down, right? To either this level, right? Right, so pay attention to all these moving average. That's gonna be crucial because we're gonna go level by level, right? If we are headed down, so be careful. But again, if we're headed up, right, we're just gonna have a bounce from here. Wait for the cups to close, right here, pretty major level right here, and then handle, right, and keep pushing up, right? So yeah, so pretty easy, pretty simple, and the Bollinger Bands are um, the bottom Bollinger, especially, right? If we are gonna essentially go back up, we need to see the Bollinger Band flatten, right? Right now it's all down, right? So what we need to see is the Bollinger Band flatten, price moving up the Bollinger Band, and those are the key signals for a reversal, right? But first you need to see the Bollinger Band do flatten out for a sign of a reversal. All right. Anyways, guys, thank you very much. Have a great day. I'm very tired. I don't know what it is, but yeah. See you guys tomorrow.